Pascal's law. Today we will tell you about Pascal's law. When pressure is applied on any liquid in the container, this pressure is transferred to all parts of the liquid in the container without any change. We do an exercise to understand Pascal's law. You can see a vessel on your screen which has 4 holes and which are closed by airtight pistols named A, B, C and D, and this vessel is filled with water. When pressure is being applied on piston A, this is being transferred to all other pistons in the result pistons B, C, and D displaced outside. Pascal's law is applied in many places in daily life like 1. Hydraulic press system, 2. Hydraulic brake system, 3. Hydraulic excavator, 4. Hydraulic jack, and in many other machines. Hydraulic press system. Hydraulic press system works according to Pascal's law. The principle of any hydraulic system is same and easy force is transferred from one point to another point when applied on any uncompressible fluid. Hydraulic system basically have 2 pistons which are fitted in 2 different cylinders. Area of cross-section of one cylinder is greater than of other. As area of cross-section of one cylinder is A1 and of there is A2, according to Pascal's law A1 greater the A2 is force will be more effective. When force applied on one piston it is shifted to other piston and to increase the force area of cross-section of the other cylinder is kept greater. Now if F1 force is applied to one piston it will be shifted to other piston and this will be represented as F2. Pressure is equal to force per unit area, so pressure is P equals F1/A1 and P equals F2/A2. As pressure remains constant, so this equation is formed: P equals F1/A1 equals F2/A2. Now if we want to calculate value of F2, this equation will be F2 equals F1/A2/A1. Now we see hydraulic brake system of cars. Hydraulic brake system consists of a pipeline which is filled with incompressible fluid. Its one end is attached with master cylinder, in which master cylinder piston is fitted, which is attached to the foot paddle of car. Other end of pipeline is at a head with cylinder of car wheel which has 2 cylinders P1 and P2 which are attached with brake shoes. Area of cross-section of wheel is greater than area of cross-section of master cylinder. Now we see when brake is applied, then what happens. When brake is applied, foot paddle is compressed. Pressure is exerted on fluid of master cylinder, and this pressure without any deficient is shifted to the piston of wheel cylinders, and pistons moved outward and is compressed against the wheel wall. Because of this movement of wheel is ceased. When foot is lifted from paddle, return spring applied force on piston of wheel cylinders, and result fluid goes back to the master cylinder. Hydraulic excavator. This machine has many hydraulic pumps which control different moments of machine, and these pumps also work according to Pascal's law. Now we see hydraulic jack. Hydraulic jack. Hydraulic jack is used to lift heavy objects, and this also works according to Pascal's law.